What's going on, guys? Danny here. So on this video, I will be building a pass on the Wallet Club platform for a demo. So I decided to record this on video as I walk through the actual build out of this demo pass. So here we go. Here's the Wallet Club back office where I'm gonna go ahead and create a new program for okay, for this local business called, I want to call it, well, it's called Southern Grounds Coffee. And they have about 10 stores here in the North Florida area. And I'm going to be demonstrating this loyalty pass for the owner there. So here's the new program configuration. I had did I do this yet? Yes. Let's see. So the actual, okay, here we go. The logo is there. I had created a square thumbnail of that logo, transparency PNG format before I recorded the video. I checked their website and they had a file there, but it wasn't transparency, so I went ahead and I created the transparency. I'm gonna do a basic stamp card program for this demo, just because it's easier to do the demo on a stamp card than it is on the other ones. So this is a stamp card program. I'm gonna leave these fields blank. I think on the previous video we saw what each of one of these fields do. So I'm gonna leave this as one, of course. I'll leave this blank. Let me just go ahead and enter the information here. I believe I had pulled the website here somewhere. Here it is. So here's the Facebook. I think I can get the address here, I guess. Neptune Beach. Just gonna put Neptune Beach. Now for the actual program, when you guys build this out, I recommend to enter the entire physical address so that in the back of the pass, the actual Google Maps link pops up. Website here is WalletClub.com. Put my info here. So and my phone number, just because this pass is going to be, in essence, the demonstration, the demo I'm going to do for this business owner. The objective is, so in this case, in your case, he or she downloads the pass and stores it in their mobile device That way they can see the entire, not just show them the pass, but they can actually have their in their device. So what I'm doing here is I'm personalizing, but I'm leaving my email address and my phone number so that in the back of the pass they can reach out to me. That's pretty much it. I want to do here in my program configuration page. Did I miss anything? Okay, here we go. So that's how it's going to go down. Now we're going to customize the pass, right? So for that, I love, and I'm sure that your prospect is going to love when you use their colors, right? So make sure you use their colors so it's on brand. I'll make sure you take the time to do this for this specific color configuration. I use a Chrome extension tool that's called Color Picker, right? So I'm going to pick the color, go here, and boom, that gives you the code for the color, like exact code. So when you go here, you just enter the code here, and boom, you got that pass on brand. The logo, we're going to remove that logo. And of course, I'm going to add their actual logo that I've created here. Boom. So, okay, so I'm going to crop it a little bit. I think that's pretty good, actually. Just a tiny bit here, there, crop. Boom. Now you got the logo right there. Um, okay. I'm going to go ahead and just I'm gonna leave the stamps or points here. There's the strip. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go back to their website. Put this here so it's next to my build out. I'll go back to their website. I'm gonna get an image of their website, right? So let's see which image can I get. Maybe a snapshot, screenshot, gathered together. Got their logo there already. It's a cool little logo. Let's see what other imagery I can get from them. Sogro also, they're like Sogro. They're like they got their own branding. I like this brand. You know, look at the location. So they have one, two. Oh, they have one here in my area. How cool is that? I'm gonna swing by there. I didn't know. I thought they had all the locations by the beach, but this is near where I live. One, two, three, four. There are four listed here, but I know they have more. Gift card balance. What is that? Anyway, so I don't want to get too sidetracked here. But I want to gather an image of their website so they can, oops, so they can relate and identify the Blueberry Bakery. What is that? That's like probably a sister company. Interesting. Um, franchise. I almost want to grab this one, but let's grab this one. Is this what about this one? Menus. Wow, we can do so much for this brand. Anyway, very good website, very well put together. Let's check out their Insta. Maybe I can grab an image from there. I don't want to drag this too long, but I want to go the extra mile to make this a successful demonstration so that we can get a multi-location contract here with these guys. So I want to add something. What is this doing here? I want to add something that it's not so crowded in the background, right? Let's try this. Oh, crap. Well, can I see that? No? You know what? I'm gonna just go to Southern Grounds Coffee and see what kind of images I can get from here. Boom. Okay, so something like this. Something like this or this. Gather. See, I like this because it has their slogan, and I can crop this image, gather together, but it's empty. It's an empty coffee shop. I don't know if I want to use that empty coffee shop, but they have a lot of different images that I can use here that is them. This one's too crowded, for instance, and when you put the stamps here, as you're about to see, you know what? I'm gonna use this one right here. This one's not so crowded. It's got the cup of coffee there, looking all sexy. I'm gonna use this one. And what I'm gonna do here, guys, is a little quick technique that works like a charm. And I'll crop it in the app anyway. So boom, I'm gonna add the strip. Where's the strip? Right here, right? Like so. A cup of coffee looking all sweaty in the summer heat. I want to crop this that little icon off on here. Does that look okay? Okay, whatever. Just like this. I don't know. I'm gonna get some of that background there too. Let's see how this looks. Now I'll change it. We'll change it. And then the stamps, of course, stamped image. I'm gonna use their stamp. I'm gonna use yeah, same logo. Same logo. Crop this bad boy. That sort of thing. So I know it hasn't looked, do 12 stamps, right? I know the logo hasn't come up here, but it should once I save it and go back to my past design here. Let me see. Save it again. For some reason it didn't save here. Let me go back in recent. Do this. Okay, that should come up now. Look at that right there. Okay, here we go. Boom. Just like that. Save. And we got ourselves a save and close. Let's save. Let me just go back to stuff generator and then go back here. Look at the design of that pass. It's not liking my image there for some reason. Let's drop a different image, I guess. Maybe it didn't like that. Maybe it was too heavy of an image. Maybe it was let's try it again actually. A little smaller, just in case. Hopefully it's not too heavy where I need to do it again. I think you would have told me. Yeah, okay, cancel, save and close. I'm gonna save that. It's giving me some crap. I'm gonna save that again. Sometimes it just pops up out of nowhere. Let me see, maybe that snapshot image, which was saved as a PNG, was too heavy. So I'm going to actually do this one. Actually, let's do this one right here. This is a what kind of image is this? Ah, they do web piece. Hmm. Let's try to do this one again. I'm gonna save it like from here. Something like this. Symmetrical. Where am I? Here we go. Close this. Well, the image is there. I don't understand why. I think okay. I think it did it actually. Just need some time. Well, that's how it's supposed to look. I'll go ahead and save and close instead of hitting save. There you go. Okay. Um, so see how the stamps happens to be like right on top of that logo. Sometimes I don't like to do that, but just for the sake of, you know what? Let me customize this. For the sake of the sample, I will probably leave that there, but I wanna do a better job of that. And let me do that one. I have a cozy, better looking than Starbucks, if you ask me, right? So I'm gonna center that bad boy right here. If the previous one worked, this one should work too. Oh, that piece up there I didn't like too much. That was that. Oh, so that black space. I don't like that black space. I wanna come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Let's grab this. What if I just don't crop it? Okay, better. Having fun over here. Save. And okay, that let's generate that preview. Okay, save and close. Okay, it looks like it's lagging. So I'm gonna customize it just a bit more. I don't want so it should populate here in a minute. that background image. So what I'll do here is I'll flip pass. I'm gonna add flip pass. Oops. Well, okay, so I'm gonna do flip pass for perks. Oops. Instead of value, actually, okay, let me redo this. Hold on. I'm going to create a label and I'm just gonna mess around with more perks. I'm just gonna put it there. You can do whatever you want there for perks, right? For benefits, whatever. Points. I'll leave that as that. Okay, here we go. And I need to leave this here so when we scan it, we'll give it a points. Oh, did I not save that? Flip pass below. Actually, on iPhone, it's no longer below, so it's no longer the I. Perks. Not for perks, for perks. Oh my God. Okay, I think I got it now. Flip pass for perks. Save. I didn't save it before. And let's try that background image again. It's okay, so it's there. Maybe I need to wait for it to give me the preview. There we go. Okay. Save and close. That should do it. Okay. That looks a little bit more presentable. Now, do I want these? Yeah, so I'll leave these. Let me go back here just to show you. The I'm gonna turn this into white as well. So all my letters are white. You can turn any color though, red. And this will change the actual variables there. So leave it as that. Save again. And here we go. Southern Grounds, Neptune Beach, Florida. That's where I meant you need to have the actual address of the place so that link pre-populates that link that'll lead people to open Google Maps. Actually, so here we go. My info pops up there so that when that owner, before he makes a decision, I can actually tell him to flip the pass and, do a bunch of things there to persuade that person to make an informed and educated decision, a data-driven decision. I'll also probably, you know what I'll do here too? I'm gonna do it right now, but in these custom fields, for instance, what I can do here is I can add any type of custom field. So I'm gonna do testimonials. On the reviews, and value, I'm just gonna put let's see. Let's see if there's still a thing. I had a case study. Let's see if it still pops up. Oh, it's like a Katrina case study, right? If this still exists, yes. Okay, so this is a case study that I had from a while back, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick it here on the reviews. I'm gonna actually put a case study, so I wanna make sure to impress my prospect. Case study, and that should be a clickable link right there. Save again. And so let me go ahead and actually download a pass. I'm gonna download a pass. And for that, I'm gonna use a QR code. So did I save this? Make sure I save it again, just in case. And I'm gonna go back to dashboard, actually program. And I'm gonna scan this QR code on my mobile device, which is equals to this link. So this QR code, when people scan it, is going to redirect people to this link. However, if I click this link, and I'll do it on desktop here so you guys can see. If I click this link, it's gonna take them to this landing page, right? Or this form. I don't want them to, I don't want to do that right now because I'm on my desktop. The objective is so that people download the pass on their mobile device, right? So I'm gonna switch my share screen here. I'll stop share. So I'm gonna scan this pass with my mobile device here. So let me make sure that I give myself some slack with this cable, which connects my iPhone to the desktop here where I'm recording this Zoom tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and share again. Except this time I'm gonna share my iPhone. I cannot share my iPhone here. Maybe this Zoom on this desktop is not allowing me to share my iPhone for some reason. Firefox, just a moment. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do it here on my mobile. So I'll go through the motions here on this desktop. So this is what your customer or your prospect is going to see. Repopulate these fields. And boom. There you have it. I'm not gonna save it, of course, but this is my desktop. It's no point in saving it there, but this is how it's going to look front and back. I'm gonna screenshot this. So I want to show my prospect, how that works. And there you have it, guys. This is how you create a new pass for your prospects so you can blow their minds and send push notifications. You can add points to the pass during your demo and see your prospects reaction, read their facial expressions, their body language, also read your energy, act motivated, act enthusiastic, act like you know what you're talking about. Whatever technical questions they may have, don't get discouraged if you don't know the answers. Say, I'll answer that question. Let me talk to the tech team and I'll get back to you. In the meantime, you walk away, even if the person has not made a decision right there and then, that person has the pass in their mobile device. You can send them a push notification. You can add in the back, as I showed you, where I added that link to a case study. You can actually add a proposal, and say, hey, are you still thinking about it? Flip it back to the pass and sign that proposal and pay the invoice. You can do so many things. I've done that before. I'm telling you because that works. And again, I don't teach anything that I haven't tried myself. So as well as I share, teach, and train on things I've done myself, I also share what the things that have not worked for me and for my team. So hope that helps, guys. I'll talk to you on the next video. Peace.